Greetings. In today's discussion, we explore whether stem cells can improve blood vessel regeneration. Blood vessels play a critical role in delivering oxygen and nutrients to tissues throughout the body. Damage to blood vessels caused by injury, chronic diseases, or aging can impair circulation and tissue health. This raises an important question. Can stem cells improve blood vessel regeneration? If we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Dr. Max McLeod, also known as the Nutrition Ninja Doc, founder of MyBodySymphony.com and the STEM Region/Age Reversal Technology Center, CARTC.health. He is a problem solver with a focus on helping people overcome their health challenges and achieve their health, performance, and appearance goals. He is using this avatar to save time making videos that can be better spent helping people. My role as his avatar is to convey his knowledge and insights about health, healing, and regeneration. Please note that I'm an avatar of a doctor, and none of the information I convey should be considered medical advice. It is intended for educational and entertainment purposes only. Consult your trusted healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your health regimen. Doc Max also provides individual supervision, in person or virtual. Contact us at 9418-065-511 to learn more. Now let's get back to today's topic. Before that, I ask that you leave a like on this video if you find it helpful. And if you haven't already done so, please hit that subscribe button because it goes a long way to help get these health-related presentations out to more people. When blood vessels are damaged or weakened, it can lead to reduced blood flow to tissues, poor wound healing, increased risk of organ dysfunction, chronic conditions such as peripheral artery disease. The body can naturally repair minor vascular damage, but extensive or chronic damage often requires intervention. Stem cell therapy, particularly with mesenchymal stem cells, MSCs, or endothelial progenitor cells, may support blood vessel regeneration by releasing growth factors that stimulate new vessel formation, angiogenesis, reducing inflammation in damaged tissues, promoting the repair and survival of existing blood vessel cells, enhancing tissue oxygenation and nutrient delivery. Rather than creating vessels immediately, stem cells create an environment that encourages the body to regenerate its own blood vessels. Patients may experience several advantages from stem cell-supported vascular regeneration, including improved circulation in affected areas, faster wound healing and tissue repair, enhanced recovery after injury or surgery, support for organs and tissues at risk of poor blood supply. These benefits usually develop gradually as the body responds to the regenerative cues from stem cells. Stem cell therapy may be more effective for individuals with peripheral artery disease or circulation issues, chronic wounds or slow healing injuries, early-stage vascular complications related to diabetes or aging. Severe or advanced vascular blockages may still require conventional treatments such as surgery or stents. As with every organ or system that is not functioning properly, we take a comprehensive approach to support its ability to heal and regenerate. Our bodies have tremendous healing potential. However, we often need additional stimulation and support for it to fully recover. All healing is a function of our stem cells. As we age, we lose up to 99% of them, and the ones remaining simply don't work as well as when we were young. By infusing young stem cells from umbilical cords and exosomes, these young cells help to revive your existing stem cells. They even donate mitochondria to them to help them function better. As wonderful and amazing as stem cells are, they are not magic. They need all of the foundational nutrients plus some specialized ones to help the blood vessels repair. Of course, proper nutrition is essential for the repair process, and most people are deficient in several nutrients and therefore need to upgrade their nutrition. Additionally, we help the body to repair and regenerate the 70,000 plus miles of blood vessels. Of those, 99% are the tiny capillaries. They are the only place that nutrient exchange actually happens. We use things like EWAT, exercise with oxygen therapy, HIIT training as appropriate, special nutrients to help restore the health of the inside lining of the vessels, light therapy, vibration therapy, and specific peptides to optimize the body's healing and regeneration. Stem cell therapy is not a guaranteed solution for blood vessel damage. Nothing is. Results vary based on overall health, severity of the condition, and treatment methods. It is considered a supportive therapy that works best in combination with conventional care and lifestyle management. Stem cells show promise as a regenerative approach for improving blood vessel health and promoting angiogenesis. By supporting tissue repair, reducing inflammation, and enhancing circulation, they may help improve vascular function and overall tissue health in selected patients. Ongoing research continues to refine their role in vascular regeneration. That's exactly why we created the coaching program at Age Reversal Technology Center. If you're ready to stop guessing and actually get the results you've been reading about, call or text us right now at 941-806-5511. Your first 10-minute phone consultation is completely free, with no pressure and no sales pitch. We'll just tell you straight. Age Reversal Technology Center, 941-806-5511, 6968. Professional Parkway, Lakewood Ranch, Florida. Nationwide telehealth available. One phone call can change the next 10 years of your life. Make it today.